motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Hello, welcome to 5 Minute Mathematics channel. Last time we done about addition. This session is about subtraction. That was the part first. This is the second. Same as usual. Actually, there are two types of subtraction. Firstly, carry, another is without carry. Do the question like this: 98 minus 27, 123 minus 012, 853, 86 minus 02175. Take your time and comment the answer now. Here are the answer. How much you got the correct? Now some carrying question. If you do this without having a calculator, then you are a genius. Take your time by pausing the video. Here are the answers. How much you got the correct? This is homework for you. Yeah, read out. Thanks for watching us. Oh, last round quiz. That's I given as a homework. Answers are this, and name credit goes to AArush Maurya. Check my channel by following the steps. Search 5 Minute Mathematics. Subscribe over here. Follow us on various platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Bye bye.